Hello there and welcome. I'm Nick from Radphone, and in this video I'll be giving you a basic introduction to how vehicle tracking works. This presentation will be based around a typical web-based tracking system. Once we log into the website, we're presented with the default map display and a selection area on the left where we can choose the items we need to look at. You'll notice that there are different types of item which we can select. Vehicles, which are self-explanatory, assets, which might include things like trailers, and POIs or points of interest. We'll take a look at these at another time. Anyway, for now we'll just select a group of vehicles to look at. Just click on Select Group. If you're a large user, you'll probably have your vehicles split into separate subgroups, like management, sales, service. If that's the case, you'll need to further select another subgroup. Once we've done that, the website will list all the vehicles in the selected group. You'll also see on the listing the latest up-to-date information alongside each vehicle. The date and time of the last contact from the unit. Assuming that today is the 5th, you might notice that some of these dates are a couple of weeks out. That's because these particular vehicles are gritters. When they're not in use for long periods of time, they have a switch which isolates the whole electrical system, which includes the supply for the tracker. In a regular vehicle, the unit will report in every hour while it's parked. The drain on the vehicle battery from these tracking units is minimal. A typical vehicle battery will last several weeks with the tracker running. The current location or address is also displayed. The icon underneath the vehicle shows the current status. As you can see, all of these vehicles are displaying a P, indicating that they're parked up. There's also a scroll bar to access the vehicles which are further down the list. We can see here there's a driver identified as driving this vehicle. Driver identification is available as an option on this system. The drivers are all issued with personal Dallas keys. They then log on when they use a vehicle. This means that the individual driver journeys can be monitored independently from vehicle journeys. Right, now let's take a look at where this vehicle actually is on a map. Just click on the vehicle display box, and the map automatically zooms in to show the location of the vehicle. If we want to view several vehicles at once, we can just click on the ones we want to see, and as we click on them, the map automatically expands or zooms out to display the vehicles we've chosen. Now this is all very impressive. It might be very nice to know where this red van is right now, and where the rest of the fleet is. But the real power in tracking or fleet management lies in the ability to create or run what we call reports. So let's take a closer look at reports. All of the tracking data collected from all the vehicles in the fleet can be filtered and presented in different ways. Each of these filters is a different type of report. As you can see, there are quite a few reports available on this particular system. Do you need to know if and when a restricted vehicle was used outside working hours? Well, there's a report for it right here. Extra reports can be added to the system as and when the need arises. If you need a different type of report, one that's not listed, it can be custom designed and added to the system. Okay, let's take a look at a couple of reports. We'll start with a straightforward journey report for the red van. We just click on the GPS journey report icon, and we're taken to this page. And now we just need to set the parameters for the journey report. No need to worry, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, we select the vehicle on the left that we want to generate the journey report for. And we've already selected the red van. And second, we need to select the dates we want the report generated for. On this occasion, we'll just go for the quick and easy option and see where the van actually went yesterday. And third, we select the format we want the report in. We can display it straight onto the computer screen inside our web browsers. We can download it as a PDF, or we can download it as a CSV file if we need to manipulate the data in a spreadsheet later on. We'll just display it straight onto the computer screen for now. So, this is where we can view the report that we've just generated. And this information confirms that we've generated a report for yesterday, the 5th. And we can see here that yesterday this vehicle made 12 journeys totaling 1 hour, 20 minutes and 14 seconds. The vehicle was idle for 22 seconds. That means the engine was running but the vehicle wasn't moving. And it travelled a total of just over 15 miles. Now we can look at a detailed report or view the journey as a snail trail on a map. So we'll take a look at a detailed report listing all the journeys. And here we have a list of all the journeys made, with start and end times, locations and maximum speeds. From here we could take a look at all the 12 journeys on a map, but that could get a bit messy. So we'll just take a look at this single journey. And up pops the journey, displayed on a map. And this is where the journey started. And this is where it ended. Let's take a quick look at another report. We'll try the late start report. This report displays a list of start times and automatically includes all the vehicles in the group. There are boxes with different starting times. Listed here are vehicles that started up before 7:30, vehicles that started after 7:30 but before 8 AM, vehicles that started between 8 and 8:30, vehicles that started moving between 8:30 and 9, and all the lucky late starters after 9 AM. And this makes you wonder why white van drivers have such a poor reputation. We can see that this white van man is a keen worker. He started first, before 7:30. The red van, however, started sometime after 8:30. Well, I think we'll wrap it up there for now. Again, this is Nick from Radphone and thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do need any more information, just get in touch using the details below the video. Bye for now.